How to log into your CRA accounts. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to log into your CRA, that is Canada Revenue Agency account. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser, tap on the search bar and type in www.canada.ca and search for this link. Now you will land on the official interface of CRA, where you'll need to choose your language first. Once you're on the section, click on the sign in button at top right. Scroll down. Look for the option of sign into your CRA account and tap on the link. And then you simply need to tap on sign in to CRA. Then you reach on the section where you have to enter your CRA user ID and password in the respective fields. If you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on forget your user ID or forget your password to reset them. If this is your first time logging in or you haven't used your account in over a year, you'll need to complete the registrations or reactivation process by simply tapping on register for a CRA account. Follow the on-screen prompts and then you will successfully create account, and later you can sign into CRA account online. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.